BMW i3. We're doing the servicing for the range extender, which is basically like a small generator located underneath here. There's our filter. I've already put that on. I've just cracked the sump plug loose. Mind you, this car has only got about 20,000 miles in it, so not much at all. So the oil actually looks quite clean. That's about 2.6 liters that these take. So we'll let that drain for a bit and then put the plug back in, fill it back up. Whilst we're down here, just have a look at all of the suspension components, brakes. I wouldn't think that a 20,000 mile car would have any problems, but you never know. Alright, should be good. Tighten it up. Perfect place. So we've got our fuel hole, put a funnel in there just in case. This is gonna be very slow unless I do 200 IQ moves and I pull the dipstick out. Just like that. Got the muck off, green spoiler cover.